Well, I turned around, he recorded me.
I went.
Daddy.
I went to get Starbucks. Oh my gosh, that was pretty good.
Leaving there. They know where they're going?
442.
They said they're sleeping in the closet up here.
Big like this one out here?
No.
You see the closet down here, Mom?
It's super big. That was fun, right? That was fast. Here we go. Oh! Oh shit! This shit faster with two. Oh shit! Ready? Boom! That shit way funner with two people.
What up, y'all? We going to the racing river.
Now we moving.
Yeah.
We're pooped, okay? Go. Oh, she flipped.
That's what she
She
did.
flipped the vehicle.
We'll be right back. Now we are back.
They did this drama. There you go. Hey! Oh! Okay, was that a strike? Oh, I'm like, what the fuck? Oh, it takes all of them and then puts the other one. Oh! Snapped it! Perfect bank shot.
I got a strike.
No, spare.
Daddy, how much did I get? 28.
What's the other one up?
I'll be pissed.
I'm in the lead. I don't care. Play at 5.
We ain't even done yet. You better chill out.
She gonna be the first one crying with Lulu.
Everybody's close. I'm at 26. Now he's at 21. Cassandra's at 24. And she's at 22 right now.
Yeah.
But I want to stop talking because you're close to losing.
About to lose your spot.
It's red light.
That gutter.
Hey, see them get the little shimmy.
You can only fit on here. Fit.
I got me. See how she did a little twist on her? Oh, man.
Boy.
Bouncy. Go on, go. Straight into the gutter.
Do it again, do it again.
100 miles an hour. Oh shit, 100 miles an hour.
Do it again. Oh, I was like the other side.
I would have been pissed.
40.
90 meters. Grounded.
You're grounded. Game over. I got second place. Good game, good game.
I won.
GG, yep.
Yay!
What's next? Time to eat again.
Now we just Matter of fact, what are those?
He can't see him.
What are
Only his toes are out. Got them dogs out.
Who's the deal, honey?
Don't, no. This
We're gonna open
one.
another one.
Just knock him out of it, go. Where we at? Holy shit, it's hot. Oh, that's warm. Right here, basketball empty.
Private resort.
Oh, what though?
Shit empty as a bitch.
The lazy river. Right here, you gotta grab them. There's two of them, or the single one. Go ahead. Come on. You better grab yours, Frank, right there. Or there's one in here if you want, whichever one. Here. Here, dig him. That's okay. It's not deep, so it's okay. You can give me whatever. This should cold, yeah. Are those body slides? The yellow one is, right? Probably gotta start on the other side. Yeah, you gotta start on the other side. Go. You gotta climb it like monkey bars till you get to that. Like monkey bars. You got it. Come on. Does it hurt? I bet. Stand up, cheater. Stand up, you cheater. And you still fell off. Why are you cheating? They both cheated. Now you gotta climb to the next. Monkey bars, like monkey bars. Ow! You gonna do it again? Where you going? Let's see if you make it. Can you make it? Yeah, do it like monkey bars. got horses?
Yep.
Stop playing.
That's what they do. Yep. I'm like Tokyo Drift.
Oh,
Firelights, bitch.
hell no.
Cops.
Waiting for us.
Oh, smash the nigga.
Looking at us. He's so